Over the last few weeks, I've been documenting my RIOT covered call trade, and I wanted to give a final video to show, did I make money or did I lose money? So the short answer is yes, I did make money. I made $181. So what I want to do is just break this down for you so you guys understand exactly what went on. So you guys have a full picture of how to manage covered call trades. And again, if you're brand new to cover call trades or you want to go back and watch these videos, I'll link them down below in the pinned comments. You guys can go back and watch these two videos on these two trades. So if we just take a step back here, I do have 1,800 shares of RIOT at a cost basis of around $14, $15. And I decided to do a cheeky covered call for $9.50, which is below my cost basis. Now, doing this is very risky because if your shares do get called away and they expire out the money or in the money in this case, but below your cost basis, you can lose a lot of money. So again, tread carefully. And again, this is purely entertainment, me just documenting my journey for you guys. So what we did is on the 11th of October, we sold 18 contracts, 1,800 share covered call at $9.50, expiring on the 18th of October. So 7 days away, a 1 week covered call, fairly standard stuff. And I got $126 in premium. So the goal was for a 5-day trade to go make $126. All good, my bread and butter stuff. Now, fast forward to the 17th of October, and RIOT was trading just above $9.50. And from memory, if I did nothing at the date of expiration, which again is on the 18th, I would have lost my shares. I would have sold them at $9.50, and I would have lost a lot of money on my shares because again, I'm selling covered calls below my cost basis. So what I decided to do is the day before, I was getting a bit hesitant, so I decided to roll this out by another week and selling the 11 covered call expiring the 25th of October. So what this means when you sell covered calls, it means I'm rolling up, i.e. from $9.50 to 11. So I'm rolling up my strike and out in time, in this case, up to the 25th, which was again 7 days away. Now doing that, I sold the 11 covered call on the 25th of October. I sold it for $181. So if we just play this back here, you got this trade over here and you have this trade over here. And as you can see here, it did it both at the same time, the 17th of October at 14.15 or 2.15. It bought back the covered call at $163 and sold a brand new covered call, again, 11th call on the 25th of October for $181. So you can see here, doing the maths quickly, I think that's 55. Definitely didn't get 55, definitely 18. 55 is the overall gain. I made an additional $18 from making this call and pushing my strike up by $1.50 and now in time by the 25th. So you can see here on the initial trade, though, I've got a realized loss of $37. But that $37 is sitting inside the 181. So if we fast forward then to the 25th, which is the day of expiration, at 4:20 on market close, RIOT was nowhere near 11. I think it was just hovering above 10. And you can see here that it expired worthless, and therefore I gained the $181. So again, if you do 181 minus 126, which is 55 in this case, yep, 55, I made an additional $55 from the 126 that I looked to gain. So this is how you manage a covered call in this particular instance, where I looked to do a cheeky $126 in 5 days. The trade went against me, so I had to buy it back at a loss, but then I opened a brand new trade for $18 more. Therefore, the whole trade now is worth $181. And thankfully, rolling out in time gave me let nature play its course in terms of RIOT, as volatile as it didn't get anywhere near $11 and therefore expired worthless, me making $181 in 14 days. So again, Very, very easy to do. Again, I own shares, so you can do this naked, i.e., you don't need to own 1,800 shares in Riot to be able to do this trade. Would I do this trade if I didn't own Riot? Probably not. I wouldn't risk it because at least then I can sell my shares off the back of it. Otherwise, it would be a pretty difficult thing to kind of maintain it. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn how to do this to go make money through options, I strongly recommend you check out my membership course. Again, the link is down in the join button down below this video. And I shall see you guys in the next video.